Yeah, my name is Madame Floris Mukasa, the Vice Chairperson, PTA Archbishop Flynn Secondary School for the district from Northern Uganda. Today, I'm so privileged that we are surveying the farm, which is one of the projects the school has introduced to support the students who are learning in the Archbishop Flynn. Members and whoever is looking at me, I'm very, very grateful for the work well done. First and foremost, I must appreciate our donation. I don't know their name, but it is donation from outside, either from America or from UK. When you reach the farm, we have seen over 50 acres of maize planted. We have seen almost 15 acres of cassava planted. We have, as I'm speaking now, I'm beside the fish pond. There is also piggery project. Rice is also in preparation. I'm so grateful for the vision, the director, the school board, and the PTA that came with, and our donors from outside. And I would wish to recommend that there is really need for construction of staff houses. That is what I recommend first, and to recruit more technical staff, because when we visit the farm we found there are only 2, and yet according to the capacity of work they have in the farm there should have been 4. So I recommend for more technical staff to be recruited, and then the local laborers. There are only 15, but according to the capacity and the quality and the quantity of work that is being done in the farm, I would recommend for 40 at least. 40 casual laborers would be enough for the farm. Otherwise, as the representative of the farm, I have the vision that there are many more projects that could be included. And we are also planning to begin planting, introducing
livestock
production. At the beginning, according to the farm manager, he told us that the farm has been designed into 3 phases. The first phase is crop production, and that is what they are basically based on. And the second phase is the animals production, and they have already started with pig rearing. And if you reach the farm and you look at the variety of the breed of pig in the farm and how they are kept, how they are fed, members, you would be, you know, as if you are in things. I am so grateful. I cannot list them all, but I salute all the farm manager, the director, and everyone who has put his or her brain to ensure that the farm should be initiated, should be attached to the secondary school as Bishop Flynn in the district, for the welfare of our students and for the development of the school. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.